What made you go for a course like this?
Like I said, we did lots of consultation on the estate with regards to what people wanted Kirkholt Million to spend the money on, and youth came out on top every time. So there's no youth club, there's no youth facilities, there's nothing for young people to do. I know Creative Film Workshop has worked with other big locals, and so obviously when Tim got in touch, I thought it was a really good project to put in front of the partnership.
What do you think the kids got out of it, watching it?
So obviously by taking part in it, they've got some really, really good skills. They've learned how to do the TikToks. They've learned how to edit, to put special effects in, voiceovers, music. They've done some really, really good stuff.
When I asked them about what they got out of it, I was expecting them to talk about film skills, but they talked a lot about what they'd learned about the community.
Yeah, so they've realised that obviously Rose Ravine's there and the play area, and there's lots of green spaces, and obviously by looking at the booklet they've found out some history. Obviously doing the quiz about Kirkholt, they've learnt when the St Mary's Primary School was built and who built the roads, the Italian prisoners of war. So it's a lot of history about the estate that they've learned, because obviously they're only young, so they don't know that without reading it and researching it, and that's what they've done today.
It's a difficult decision to decide to pay for a film course like this. What would you say to other people who are considering it?
Like I said, there's only been a couple that have, a small number that have taken part in this one today, and obviously that would seem quite an expensive project. But if you have got a full capacity of 15 on it, then it's a really worthwhile course for the 2 days, for the experience that the children get to use the equipment, the video cameras, and all this editing stuff and everything. The skills that they're learning through TikToks, it's just been fantastic. It's well worth it, yeah.